G'day. Some jobs are just annoying to do by yourself. One of those jobs is bleeding the brakes and bleeding the clutch. I just took my van full of tools, parked it down the road, and jumped in this to try and move it, and found that the clutch it's just been sitting too long. All the oil's gone elsewhere, somewhere. Anyway, this is how I go about bleeding it. Basically, I do it from slave cylinder end, open the bleeder, prime my long piece of tube, open the bleeder and just pump the oil in from the bottom, and that'll just level up to my master cylinder. That way you're not trying to push the oil down past the air, the air just floats up out of it, and it seems to work quite well. Right, onto it. Might speed this up here and there. I wouldn't use a shifter on it, but that's all I've got left here. Like I say, my tools are down the road. So then we just fill this up. Take hold of them. Away. As long as this is higher than the master cylinder, it'll do it all itself. Right, so I just tape that up there, and then I wait for the master cylinder to fill up, turn everything off. Right, so here's our oil level. I've just started it. Here's our oil level, slowly creeping up, and it has to do that because it's got to force the air past the oil that's actually in the system. And it takes a little while, but it's not hard. You just have a cup of tea and wait for it to happen. I did use my bottle with a tube to reach in there and suck everything out. There was a bit of dirty stuff in there. I think I got most of it. There's a bit of filth still in there, but once that comes up out of the system, you'd be amazed at what it drags out, and then you can reach in there with a little tube and just use it like a vacuum to suck all the dirt out of the bottom. So after mucking around, I found that the little oil reservoir that they put on is actually snapped across here. So that's the problem. Even if I get it all primed up, it's not going to work. So jump on the trusty steed and go and see what I can buy. Okay, it's a couple of days later. I didn't get it primed. What normally happens when you mouth off about how easy something is, turn to shit. So this little reservoir had gone all white and crystalline in the sun, and it's wrecked. So you think, oh, I'll just shoot off on the bike and grab another one. It can be off a car, off a motorbike, just any little reservoir. It could be a windscreen washer reservoir. Anything will do just to get the thing running. No. They wanted to sell me like a complete master cylinder with a reservoir on it. Well, we don't sell the reservoir by itself. I couldn't even get like a top-up bottle for a radiator. I was like, oh, just a remote reservoir for a radiator, and I'll take the tube off, and no. So it took me a couple of days, and then I came up with this. I was hoping for one slightly larger than this, but that's going to obstruct my vision a bit. It's not like I can see much out of the truck anyway, so I don't think I'll be putting it there. But this is what I'll be using, and the ports in it are a bit bigger. This tube's too small for the air to get past the oil. especially just where it comes into the reservoir. It was a real trick to get it primed. So that'll hopefully get around that issue, and just to get on with it. It's very low tech, but we're priming it. Oh, reservoir's behind me. Pumping some filthy shit through it. Had quite a lot of air come through. Guess I'll turn it off.